your brain is lying to you. These 7 riddles will expose your real mental age. And trust me, you'll hate the answer. Let's begin. Scientists know more about black holes than your brain. We'll test yours with 7 sneaky riddles. Score fast equals young brain. Slow? Well, let's not talk about that. Ready? 20 seconds per riddle. Go! Riddle 7. The upside down face. What's the creepy mistake in these photos? Hint, your brain hides the truth. Tricked you. The eyes' lips are upside down. If you missed it, your brain is lazy. Like if you skipped gym, but for neurons. Riddle 6. The t-shirt holes. How many holes? Quick! No, not that kind of hole. Neck plus sleeves plus bottom plus 4 holes equals 8. If you said armpit stains, you're technically not wrong. Riddle 5. Name this tree. Secret test. Spot the hidden bird. Gotcha! The bird was here the whole time. If you saw it, your brain is younger than your Wi-Fi password. Riddle 4. Find the error in 5 seconds. Your brain hates this one. Your brain autocorrects like a bad phone keyboard. Mine still thinks duck is a swear word. Riddle 3. There's a hidden baby in this tree. Find it before it starts crying. Congrats! You just delivered a tree baby. Parenting level. Expert. Riddle 2. Which line is longer? Warning, 75% of people fail this. Lines are equal. If you said A, you're a sheep. If you said B, you're a rebel. If you said pie, you're a nerd. Riddle 1. Spot Mike Wazowski in 3 seconds. He's green and unemployed. If you found him, your brain is fresher than a TikTok trend. Your brain age results. Scorecard time. 0 to 2, right? Your brain is older than dial-up. 3 to 5, right? Your average, like plain toast. 6 to 7, right? Your brain is younger than a YouTuber's audience. Comment your score below, and if you failed, hit like to hide your shame. See you next time, unless your brain forgets to subscribe.